Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term SCANLON plan. SCANLON is the name of a person. The SCANLON plan is a gain sharing program which combines leadership, total workforce education, and widespread employee participation with a reward system linked to organization performance. It has been used by a variety of public and private companies with varying amounts of success. The first SCANLON plan was instituted by Mr. Joseph SCANLON, a steel worker, cost accountant, professional boxer, local union president, acting director of the Steelworks Research Department, and lecturer at MIT. As the local union president of steel mill in which he was employed, he witnessed the depressed economies of 1930s. His co-workers wanted increased wages. His company had barely survived the depression. He was advised by Steel Workers International to see if he could harness the energy and talents of the workers to save the company. SCANLON set up a joint union management committee to solve the organizational problem, which has become successful. And after it has become successful, SCANLON was soon asked to help other organizations in trouble. His success led him to become acting director of Steelworks Research Department. SCANLON became active in setting up many labor management committee in support of World War II production. SCANLON worked with the joint union management committees, convinced him of the power of cooperation, and he was an advocate of working with management in the steel workers. At the end of World War II, the faction advocating cooperative approach in labor management was displaced by those advocating return to traditional adversarial relation in the steel workers. SCANLON accepted an invitation by Douglas to become a lecturer at MIT, where he remained until his death. At MIT, SCANLON continued to develop his ideas about labor management cooperation and organizational improvement. It was at MIT that the term SCANLON plan was coined by accident. There were two conferences going on at MIT and signs were needed to guide attendees. Thus, those headed to SCANLON event were directed to the SCANLON plan and the name stuck there. Thanks for watching. Bye.